What's up, Dream Team? So it's day 8, and we have the front finished. Well, not the front, but just this side done. Get a nice, clean polish off of this. Looks real good. Everything, even the metal here looks good and polished. So day 8, that's all we did. I know I didn't record anything else. There's a bunch of people here and action. So this is one that we haven't touched. Well, I put polyester here to fill in those cracks. So that big difference. This is one we haven't touched. Besides the back over there, you know, see huge difference. You can't even see. I mean, you can, but it's super dirty, just bad. All of it. Look at that. Huge difference. Huge difference. We should have worked on this side today because we had shade, and that would have been nice. We could have taken advantage of the shade. We wouldn't have to worry about the mural when we put the tape down, but we didn't. I didn't. I decided to finish the front. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, look at that. Huge difference. Anyways, that's day 8. I know I should have done a longer video or an actual video. That's all I have for you guys. So day 9, we're back at it though. What was the saying? Dream Team. I do it for you, I do it for me, I do it for we, the people.